my trusty VFR. My trusty VFR is okay on wet roads. Clicking off traffic, that's going to be another story. But alright, I'm going to stop this video, I don't know. You want me to leave it run for a while? You don't want me to leave it running. All you're going to do is see me making a jerk out of myself. A bigger jerk than I already am. The picnic area is closed. I don't like following cars in wet roads. The cars put up more spray and debris than riding in the rain. It's worse following cars in the rain than just riding in the rain. Here's my passing zone. Ugh, there's people who need people are the happiest people. These folks in front of us from Ohio, and I think the people in front of them are from Tennessee, the great state of Tennessee, the volunteer state. There. Car drivers just don't realize that spray coming up, that motorcycle behind you is breathing in all that spray, that dirty, nasty water off the road. There's nothing worse than being in traffic in the rain. I bought a BMW K1200 LT. Wow, about 10 years ago. It was a 2005 on eBay, and it might have been more than 10 years ago. Anyway, I threw down like a $5,500 or a $5,600 bid. I think I won it for $5,500. It had every farkle you could possibly put on a BMW. It had everything. It had the floorboards for the passenger. It came with the BMW nav. The third brake light blinked on it. I mean, the guy put all kinds of extra stuff on it. It had a dashboard to mount my radar detector and all that other stuff. Anyway, it had a bunch of stuff, and at the time, I'm going to say the K1200, they were selling for around $9,000, something like that. But I saw this one on eBay, so I threw down a $5,600 bid. The bidding stopped at $5,500. And we jumped on a plane and flew to Hartford, Connecticut. And the salesperson from the BMW dealership that had the bike listed picked us up at the airport, took us back to the dealership. We signed the title over, paid them, got on the motorcycle and started heading south. And we were going to stop in Hershey, Pennsylvania and do the Hershey Museum, or the Hershey Park and all that. And prior to coming into Pennsylvania, it just started pouring rain, and it was just a solid rainstorm. And we were in it for hours. We did not make it to the Hershey Park. We just gave up. We were defeated. And by the time we got to our hotel that evening, we were just miserable. It was a fun trip, and I absolutely would do it again. I'm not sure if my wife would do it. She hates going through the airport, and we're going through the airport with helmets and motorcycle gear and a few bags of clothes and stuff. And it was huge risk on our part, you know, buying a motorcycle 1,200 miles away from home and then riding it back. But it was fun. I think it was fun. It was an adventure. Normally I won't travel more than 500 miles to get a motorcycle. But I've been looking at gold wings. And maybe if I found the right gold wing, I might do it again, travel 1,000 miles. You know, maybe if I found a decent, like 2010, 11, 12 gold wing for real cheap, and like the Upper Peninsula, I would consider going up there and getting it. But all right, I'm gonna click off. I don't think we're gonna see any wildlife today. They're all hunkered down in the mountains. So, yeah, I'll talk to you in a little bit. Bye-bye.